Well, welcome back to Gardener's Cottage here on the North Norfolk coast. We're over here doing a turnaround today, just checking it over after a let that's been in. And we're going to give you a little tour around the cottage gardens and just show you what's coming on over here. Starting to get some really nice autumn colours. Gardener's Cottage is located in the old sector of Blakeney between Back Lane and the High Street. And it's approached down these little lokes, which are gravel coated, usually single track access roads into the cottages. They're quite often serving 3 or 4 different cottages, and ours tails round the back of the birches here, and it's named the birches because of these rather beautiful mature birch trees. It's just starting to get some lovely colour now. Really nice autumn light just coming through. It's quite a cloudy day here in Blakeney, but at the moment the light quality is really starting to pick up. Some of these colours are just starting to pop. And talking of popping colours, these crab apples just at their very best now. Honeysuckle just meandering the way through them as well. Still plenty of berries on this crab apple to greet you as you come in through the entrance here at Gardeners. It's done really well this year, along with most of the apple trees in Norfolk. Last little burst of Japanese anemones, which really haven't done well here in Norfolk. It was just too dry over the summer for them this year, and a lot of the leaf and buds shriveled up. Normally have quite an extended flowering period of these beauties, but this is one of the few flowers we've got here all season. This season's been really strange. A lot of things are having a second flush, but for rosemary to be flowering like this in late October is really quite unusual. But this is in a very sheltered walled garden, sunny aspect, due south, and we've got a good flush of bud and plenty of secondary growth since the rains come. These plants are just making the most of the late summer warmness and light. Really unusual, but very, very welcome. A larkspur here just doing what they do so well, late flower, very similar to a delphinium in its form and colour, but of course at a much different season. These have been here for several years now, and they're holding their own but not really thriving or extending out. See the crowns and leaf formation here, lovely glossy green, doing quite well really. This choice is just coming to the end of its flowering season really, but the scent standing next to it and walking down this path looking back towards the cottage is absolutely beautiful. Mock orange like orange blossom scent. A lovely, quite mature and decent sized plant now has enough blossom on a specimen like this to really fill the air as you get close up to it. Not looking bad for this time of year. But the star performers still towards the end of October are these cyclamen, autumn flowering species cyclamen that have been here for, well, the 17 years we've owned the cottage, spreading out beautifully. Every year they don't fail to impress and give us this beautiful display in a very dry, shady area of the old garden. Lovely. Thanks for watching.